Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can write text over your videos in Davinci Resolve, so let's get right into it. As you can see in my timeline, I already have a video inserted. This is a tutorial that I have done previously, and I'll be using it just for demonstration's sake to show you guys how you can write text. Now, firstly, what you want to do is go into the Edit tab, as you can see here. Firstly, you'll be in the Cut tab. You just want to go to Edit, which is the third icon from the left, and then from there you want to go into Effects. Now when you click on Effects, you'll immediately be brought into the toolbox, and within this toolbox we want to click on Titles. As you can see, there is a lot of text samples here. You can choose whichever you want. As you can see, you have lower left third, middle lower, right lower third, and so on and so forth. You have these animated ones as well with the scroll, and you have a couple of others that you can freely use. I'll just be using the basic title, and the way that you insert this into your video is click it and drag it over to your video. If you want to modify it, you just drag it and hold it and pretty much just adjust it to the length of your video, and this will now be shown across my entire video. Now to edit the text, you want to click on it and then click on the inspector in the top right, and here you can change the color of your text, which I will change to black because the background is white on my video. And you can also change the text to whatever you want. I'll just write test, and then you also have a lot of different settings. You can zoom in, zoom out, do whatever you want. You can also change the font. You can change the font place or face, pardon me. You can make it regular, bold, semi-bold, bold, italic. Do whatever you want with it. You can modify the size as well. You can modify the tracking. You can modify the line spacing, alignment, pretty much everything you could expect with the text in any other editing software as well. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.